In case it's unclear from the state of my clothes, it's another week of drywall mining. You're watching Adam Builds Colorado, and this is the 118th week of my renovation here on Iris Street. Like I said, it's another week of mudding. I don't finish mudding in week 118, but I do finish taping. This is the last room to tape, the bathroom of the master bedroom. On Thursday, I get the master bath another coat of mud. On Saturday, I add a temporary laundry line in the basement. My friend Matt will be coming up to help drywall for a week, and I want to have a place for towels and all of my running clothes to dry. After the laundry line is complete, I clock 14 miles at Marshall Mesa. After 27 consecutive days of sidewalk runs, it's a real treat to be back on a proper trail. Sunday is the first of 7 days of mudding with my buddy Matt. We put on an audiobook and start cracking away. The plan for the week is for Matt to mud the screws while I give all the factory and butt joints a second coat of mud. I realized early on that it's easier to mud around receptacles and ceiling canisters when their edges are clean, so I take some time to trim the edges with a razor knife. Apart from trimming edges, Matt and I continue mudding. Matt tackles the screws while I tackle the joints. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching. Until next week, happy renovating.